Alright, this is going to be us Dora basically blowing up a pop bottle. Oh, so you're doing it too, Jay?
Yeah. So
Alright, so
what are we doing? Just shaking it?
We've got 2 people that are going to be blowing up these pop bottles. They're going to shake it and watch it explode. This should be interesting and highly messy. Therefore, this camera's going back. Cindy, we need the light on.
Thank you.
Are we?
Yes.
Wait, you guys need to stay right under the light. Because if you don't, we won't be able to see it.
We're opening it.
Oh, okay.
Go over underneath the light.
Under the light.
Alright. 3,
2, 1.
I knew mine wasn't going to work, so it was like half empty.
I think Dora got sprayed.
Yes, Dora got sprayed.
Hey, look, it's our little pop bottle from yesterday's experiment where we dumped Mentos in it and it blew up.
Wait a second.
Uh-oh.
I got some.
Uh-oh, Sam's going too, I think.
Here.
What's going on, I wonder? I'm not sure. Sandy's trying to break the ice out of that bottle. That's not going to work. Are you guys dumping Mentos in that? Uh-oh, okay, get under the light then and away from the camera so it doesn't blow up on the camera.
What do we do? Wait, guys.
Get away.
Oh, yes. Go. Get away.
My turn.
Go ahead, yes, go. Switch.
Okay, squeeze it. Alright.
Oh, what's wrong? It's leaking now. Jesus. Hey.
The Battle of the Pop War 2. Anyway. Shit, I think Dora and Jay just got the worst of it. Stay away from the camera.